In the heart of India's spiritual calendar, the third day of Diwali shines the brightest. This is Lakshmi Pujan, the night of lights, wealth, and divine grace. It marks the victory of good over evil and the return of light after years of darkness. Centuries ago, on this very night, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years in exile. After vanquishing the demon king Ravana and restoring Dharma to the world, Rama, along with Sita and Lakshmana, prepared to return home. Before they left, the ever compassionate Lord turned to his most devoted follower, Hanumanji. With gentle affection, he said, "Go, Hanuman, and tell Bharat that his brother returns." With divine speed, Hanuman flew ahead, his heart overflowing with devotion. He reached Nandigram and bowed to Bharat, delivering Rama's message. Overwhelmed with emotion, Bharat fell to the ground, tears of happiness streaming down his face. At once, he commanded the entire kingdom to be decorated. Lamps were lit and flowers were spread across the roads, all in preparation for their beloved Lord's long awaited return. As Rama's chariot entered the city, Ayodhya shimmered like the heavens themselves, with thousands of diyas glowing in celebration. Thus began Deepavali, the festival of lights symbolizing the end of exile and the ultimate triumph of righteousness. But Diwali's story doesn't end there. In the cosmic ocean of milk during the great churning known as the Samudra Manthan, the radiant goddess Lakshmi arose. She is the embodiment of prosperity, purity, and fortune. It is believed that on this very night, Ma Lakshmi descends to the earth, visiting every home that is clean, pure, and filled with light and devotion. This is why devotees perform Lakshmi Puja, inviting the goddess to bless their homes with abundance. Doors are kept open and lights are kept burning, symbolizing the removal of all darkness and ignorance from our lives. Every single diya that flickers tonight carries a heartfelt prayer, a wish for peace, prosperity, and the enduring triumph of good. From the divine reunion of Rama and Sita to the celestial rise of Goddess Lakshmi, this sacred light reminds us that true wealth lies not in gold, but in gratitude, goodness, and the light that shines from within. On this sacred night, may your home glow with joy and your heart with peace. This is Vedagatha, bringing ancient legends to life. Like, share, and subscribe for the next chapter in our Diwali series.